Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello everyone. In the current week, we have seen that the market has remained quite volatile due to the derivative expiry. Now let us see how Nifty as well as Bank Nifty purely looks from a technical perspective. What is the outcome for the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for the next week? In the current week, we have observed that the Nifty has closed at a mark of 17,559 level with a weekly loss of almost 200 points, or in terms of percentage, it was a loss of 1.12%. On the weekly charts, we have seen that the Nifty has formed a small red bearish candle, indicating a short-term weakness in the market. On the daily chart, the Nifty has been stuck up in the 10 days between 10 days simple moving average and 20 days simple moving average, which shows some lack of direction for the market from purely technical perspective as well as short-term perspective also. Talking about majority of the momentum indicator, key indicators like RSI is moving in the range of 67 to 70 level, which confirms some amount of cool off after a non-stop up move in the market. So some amount of cool off has been observed in the current week in the momentum of the market. Talking about crucial support and resistance level for the market, key support for Nifty is placed at 17,360, which is the current 3-week low, and below that at 17,000, which is the strongest support where the gap area is placed. On the higher side, major supply is placed around 17,726 level, which is the current week high, and above that at 17,992, which is the previous 2-week high. Now, what could be the possible strategy in the current scenario, or how to trade Nifty, seeing the current volatility of the market? So traders should wait and watch and let the market come near a support zone where they can go long with a stop loss placing at 17,360, which is the previous 3-week low for their fresh new long position, or they can keep a stop loss for their existing new long position also. Now let us see how Bank Nifty looks purely from technical perspective. We have observed some amount of outperformance in Bank Nifty in the current week. In this week, the Bank Nifty has showed good strength and closed above a 20-day simple moving average, which is placed at 38,511, indicating a strong undertone for this particular index. Daily momentum indicators like RSI has been moving sideways after an overbought territory and slightly sustaining below 70 mark, which confirms that some amount of bullish momentum is getting cooled off, but the undertone seems to be strong. Key support for Bank Nifty is placed at 38,500, where the multiple touch points are there, followed by 37,700, while key supply zone is placed at 39,470, which is the previous week high, as well as followed by 39,760, which is the previous swing high. Now, we have identified two stocks for the next week, which has the potential to outperform the broader indices. First one is BHEL Limited, or Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. One can buy around 57 mark with a stop loss placing at 53.50. This stock has the upside potential to move up to 65. Another counter which seems to be strongly bullish is EMANI Limited, which one can buy around 485 with a stop loss placing at 470. This stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 530. So friends, that's it for the current week. See you next week. Thank you very much for joining us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Investors must make their own investment decision based on their specific goals, financial position, and risk appetite. The content provided herewith is purely for information and educational purpose only.